I've made over $100,000 per month from my social media accounts, and today I'm restarting from zero to see if I can do it again. My goal is to reach 10K followers, hit 1 million views, and make over $1,000 on the new account in the next 30 days, or I will go skydiving in my underwear. The first step to creating a successful social media account is picking the right niche. You want to pick a niche that's highly in demand so you can gain followers fast and so you can make money from that larger audience. Currently, the best niches are fitness, finance, cooking, comedy, and surprisingly golf. But since I've already gained millions of followers and generated 7 figures from the finance and comedy niches, I'm not allowed to do those. I need to start a new page that I have no knowledge about so this challenge can be as realistic as possible. So if this coin lands on heads, I'll become the next Gordon Ramsay, aka the cooking niche, and if it lands on tails, I'll turn into prime Tiger Woods. Well, minus the jail part.
Recite the entire English alphabet. What were the instructions?
Not to sing the national anthem backwards.
Also, I forgot that I don't have a quarter in Puerto Rico, so I'm just gonna ask, hey Siri, heads or tails?
Tails.
So it looks like I'm becoming a professional golfer when I get back to the States. I'll see y'all then. My game plan to become the next major golf influencer is the same thing I'd recommend you guys to do when starting a new social media page from scratch. You need to 1, find viral videos in your niche that you can recreate. 2, integrate your personality into those videos so they're unique to you and will stand out from other creators. Then 3, post 2 times per day on every social media account so you have a higher chance of going viral. Think about it this way, if you post 2 videos per day on TikTok, you have 2 shots that have a chance of going in the hole, aka going viral. But if you repost those 2 TikTok videos on Instagram, Snapchat, Shorts, Facebook, and Vine, you now have 12 shots to make it in the hole every day instead of 2, which means you're 6 times more likely to go viral if you post on all platforms. But just because you go viral doesn't mean you'll make money. You need to set up proper systems to profit, especially as a new influencer. You can't just immediately get monetized on YouTube or have big brands pay you to talk about their products. Starting out, there's pretty much only 2 ways to make money. 1 is to reach out to brands to get free products, like in the golf niche, I'll try to get clubs, balls, clothes, etc. And 2 is to ask those same companies for an affiliate link so when you use their product, you can promote it and make money from every sale you get them. But be aware, there is a lot of competition reaching out to these brands daily. So if you want to get free stuff or an affiliate link, you need to write a very persuasive email. What I'm gonna do for the golf niche is tell the companies I tried their clubs recently and loved them, so I wanted to reach out to see if they're interested in sponsoring a new influencer. After that, I'll tell them my plan for the content I'm gonna make and show them past work if I had it. Then once the message is written, plug it in the ChatGPT with the prompt, write this in a more formal and persuasive manner, then send that email to all the brands you want to work with. I already sent a bunch of those messages in Puerto Rico, and surprisingly, tons of companies responded. The majority of them said no in a nice way, but 2 of them may be sending me something. So I'm gonna set up the new accounts while I'm waiting, and hopefully next time you see me, I'm holding products. Bingo, boys, we got products. Lab Putters sent me their best putter, the DF3 putter that was specifically designed to fit my swing via AI. And Gospel Golf, an amazing Christian golf brand, sent me 4 polos, 2 quarter zips, 1 hoodie, and unlimited golf towels. So shout out to Zach, Peyton, and Kyler for making this happen. If we count the price of the items to the $1,000 goal, that means I've already made $1,390 before I even posted a video. So I'm gonna up that goal to 2K, and now let me show you the accounts. The Instagram and TikTok are looking gorgeous with the same username, bio, profile picture, and that's right, my very own affiliate link. Gospel Golf was nice enough to bless me with a 15% affiliate link, so whenever someone purchases one of their products, they get 15% off, and I get 15% of the sale. That's gonna be huge for this challenge, because now you'll be able to see how many sales I generate compared to the views and followers I gain. So the only thing left to do now is film some content, post it, and hopefully make some money. I'll update y'all in a bit. Alright, it's been 1 week of posting, and here are the current results. The TikTok has gained over 100 followers with 27,000 likes. Most of the likes came from this video right here where I hit a bad shot and say I want to take a sewer to the side. It also did the best on Instagram, which made them ask me if I'm okay, which is hilarious. In total, both accounts have generated over 500,000 views, which is great, but I have less than 200 total followers and 0 affiliate sales to show for it. So for all content moving forward, I'm going to ensure I have a hit follow call to action. In the video videos where I voice over my golf rounds, I'll make sure to say hit follow during, hit follow if I make it, and at the end of the video, follow for more trash golf. Then for the content with music, I'll simply add hit follow text on screen or in the comments. The more followers you get from a video, the more likely platforms are to push that video out to new viewers. That's why you hear YouTubers ask you to like and subscribe so much. And speaking of that, I'm not gonna say it, just do it for your boy. In other good news, I've acquired a new sponsor. Vice Golf sent me their golfing starter set with 9 beautiful clubs, balls, gloves, and other accessories. Plus, they blessed me with a 10% affiliate link. So now I can make money promoting clothes, clubs, and balls, which is super clutch. This challenge is off to a great start, but remember, if I don't hit 10K followers, I'll have to go skydiving in my underwear. So I'm gonna lock in, and I'll see y'all in a bit. I have great news, boys. Another goal has been achieved. This reel has over 1 million views by itself, and between both accounts, I'm at over 2 million views with a total follower count of almost 500. Implementing the hit follow call to action definitely worked, but considering I went from 600K to 1 million followers in less than a month on my comedy account, I know I can do better. Especially on the affiliate marketing side, considering 2 million people have seen my videos and only 4 have clicked the link. That is horrendous. So to try to increase those sales, I'm going to verbally talk about my discount codes and content and daily post a story promoting them. And for the influencers watching who can't acquire an affiliate link, you can always sell your own product. To start, just click the first link in my description, press build your free store, then after answering a few questions, you'll have a professional dropshipping store that can make you tens of thousands of dollars per month. For example, in the golf niche, if I wanted to sell a product, but I didn't know what product I wanted to sell or how to sell it, I'd simply go to the sponsor of today's video, autods.com, then search golf in the product search bar. This will bring up high quality products you can start selling immediately. Like if I wanted to sell this golf practice cage, I'd click on it, check to see if the reviews are good, which they are, nearly all 5 stars. Then I'd look at how much it cost and if I can sell it for a huge profit. Since the average golf cage sells for around $1,000, I could sell this for half the price at $500 and still have 100% margins. That's amazing. And with AutoDS, it only takes 4 business days to ship, unlike other suppliers that take weeks. Then when customers start buying, AutoDS will ship the product directly to them, so you don't have to worry about a thing. They automate everything to make your life super easy, plus they're giving all my viewers a 30-day free trial. So take advantage of that, and I'll see y'all in San Diego for the next update. Alright, I pulled up to California hoping that if I film on pretty golf courses, the videos will get more views, in return increasing my follower count and affiliate sales. As of now, I have 500 followers on TikTok, 300 followers on Instagram, and around 6 million total views. Any aspiring influencer would pay for those 3-week results, but considering I have to jump out of a plane if I don't hit 10K followers, the San Diego film shoot needs to work. I need to get on the golfers' good side, because as of now, they hate me. The comments are ripping me apart for using expensive clubs, especially as a beginner with bad form. This is why I think the follower to view ratio is low and the affiliate sales are lacking. Golf is typically a snobby rich guy sport, and they don't support beginners like me, hence they won't hit follow or use my links. So to beat this challenge, I need to target all future content to beginner golfers. This will give me the highest chance of acquiring followers, because when viewers are late to you, they want to follow your journey. So I'm going to film a bunch of beginner friendly content in Cali, and I'll see y'all for the final results. After 30 days of posting golf content, I'm shocked. I beat the view goal by a landslide, hitting 7.5 million views and averaging over 10,000 views per post. That's phenomenal for 1 month of work, because at that level, you will start getting paid brand deals. But for the follower goal, well, the TikTok ended with 800 followers and the Instagram ended with 480 for a total far short of the 10K goal. And although I did receive over $2,000 worth of golf gear from the companies, 2 of them knew about my other accounts, which could have been why they sent me the gear. So morally, I can't count that, which means I failed. So it's time to skydive. We did it, boys. Skydiving. Failed the challenge, so I'm up here. And if you want to watch me make thousands of dollars trading crypto in New York City, click here to watch that video, hit the subscribe button, and God bless.